feel good, trying to forget about you.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought to create a makeup look. So I started the video while as I'm prepping my skin, and also I have used the L'Oreal anti Hydra oic serum, and right now I'm using this Goodwill Scandinia gel, which is actually suited in my skin. By hydrating it, and also it also tightens the face, and also it prevents anti-aging. So it's a very nice cream with no parabens, no sulfates, and cruelty free. And once this gets settled down onto my skin, I will start the makeup procedure. So yeah, once I'm done with it, right now I'll start with this Blue Hammer flawless primer, oil based primer. So once you're done with it, you can apply it to all over your places, and also I'm using it on my eyelids so that it gets primed beautifully. Once you're done with the priming, please allow 5 minutes to settle it down on your face. Once you're done with it, I'm using this Stay Cookie it's a orange corrector. Yes, it's a orange corrector. I've recently purchased this from Purple. So I'm using this corrector to hide my dark circle, to correct my dark circles. So as it is black in color, I mean my dark circles are black in color, so I'm using this orange corrector to hide it properly. Once you apply all the once you cover all the spots using this orange corrector, you can move on by blending this products using just your fingers. Yeah, you can see how am I blending. You can follow the same procedure, and you can stop once you're satisfied. Then I'll be using the same foundation from Maybelline. My shade is 128 warm nude. Yes, I'll be using this Color Bar blender. I've just dabbed it with the Swiss Beauty spray, and I'm applying the foundation. It beautifully blends it once you damp the blender. Yeah, I'm just showing you the final look, how beautifully it has been. It has given a finished look, and also there is no skin, no crease, and it has settled on your face properly. Right now I'm just applying this Maybelline yeah, compact powder in the same shade to just fix this particular foundation on my face, and so that it can stay for much longer. Of course, it's not required in this lockdown, but yeah. And once you're done with this compact powder, you can I am going ahead with this eyebrow pencil. My eyebrows are in a worse condition, but however I'm trying my best to do it properly and define my eyebrows in a proper manner. Once you are satisfied with it, I am going ahead with my eye makeup look. So today I'm trying a different eye makeup look using this kajal. So this is from Lakme, and the shade is Regal Green. So I'm covering my complete eyelid with the help of this kajal. Just make sure there is no place, or there are no spots which are not being covered. So just make sure complete of your eyelid is covered with this kajal, so that your eye look way more beautiful. Once you're done with one side, you can apply it to the other side. Yeah, and once you're done with it, you can just blend the kajal using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I'm using this color to blend the kajal. Yeah, I thought the light green shade would match, but then I experimented with this color, and it turned out really beautiful. So yeah, I'm just showing you. For example, yeah, I've just done with one of my eye, you can see. Yeah, and I'm doing the rest one, and you can see how beautifully the color has come out properly, and the pigmentation, there is no word to describe a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette pigmentation, guys. And I would recommend each and everyone to go ahead and purchase this eyeshadow palette. and there is a discount going on purple. You can go ahead and purchase it. And right now I'm just applying this golden eyeshadow using my finger itself. I'm not using any brushes because I just need to dab it on my eyelid. Yeah, as you're able to see, I'm just dabbing this eyeshadow on my eyelid. And the same manner you can do it for the other eye as well. You can just dab it until you are satisfied with the color pigmentation or the color payoff you are getting. Yeah, so I'm done with both of the eyeshadow, and right now I have taken a clean brush, a clean blending brush, to just blend the sharp edges which is on my crease area, and to look at way more defined and beautiful. Once you're done with both the eyes, you can go ahead and tightline your lower eyeline with using the same kajal from Lakme, the legal green eye kajal in both of the eyes. Yeah, once you're done with it, just with the help of your ring finger, you need to blend it. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it. Just need to blend it, guys, with the help of your fingers, or else you can also apply the same eyeshadow color which you were used in the upper eyelid, and you can blend it. But I thought that there could be some kind of fallouts which I did not want at that moment, so yes, I used my fingers to blend it out. Right now I'm using the Blue Heaven eyeliner kajal. Frankly speaking, I really didn't like this kajal, but at that moment I didn't have any kajal handy, so yes. Yeah, once you're done with it, you'll go with the contour game. So I'm using this orange character because it was not orange in color but kind of brown, and I'm using my fingers to blend this product. And you can blend once you are satisfied with the contour game. Yeah, once you're done with it, you can proceed with the same drill, girls. It's the blush and the highlighter. So I'm using this sugar blush palette, and once you're done with it, I'm using this Maybelline metallic chrome highlighter uh, to highlight my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid bow, and forehead. Once you are satisfied with the color payoff of the highlighter, I'm using the same highlighter, guys, same highlighter to color the inner eyes. So once I'm done with the complete process of highlighting each and every point, right now I'll be applying the lipstick which is from My Glam. It's a pink color shade. So there was an offer going on 3 to 6 months ago, wherein I need to just pay the shipping price and you will get this product free. So yes, I have purchased from that website. It's from My Glam. Once you're done with applying the lipstick, you can go ahead and lock your makeup look using this Makeup Fixer Spray from Swiss Beauty. And once you're done with it, you can just set yourself and settle, and just make sure that your makeup gets settled down. Once you're done, this is how your makeup look will look. So yes, I have kept my eyelashes off camera, so here it is. I hope you guys have liked this makeup look, and if you did, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.